I got an A, Mom!
English A+, Science A. Very good. But Aarav, this maths grade, it should be A+. Last term also it was A only. Now no TV in evening. Put extra effort in math and improve your grades.
Okay, Mom. Now it's my turn. There is a big red F next to reading and a D in writing.
Oh, my darling, don't you worry at all. You are only 5 years old. This is just the beginning. You tried so hard and that is all that matters.
Okay, Mommy.
Meera, here is a gift for you.
What about my gift? You didn't get anything for me.
Aarav, you are big now. You already have so many toys.
I asked for toy car. I wanted it. Wow, you got me a doll. It is so beautiful. This is what I asked for last week. Thank you, Mom. I love you. It's my doll. Mom brought it for me. I won't give it to you.
Hey, stop that right now!
Meera, baby, open your mouth. Ah, here comes the train. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Good girl. One more bite for mama. So obedient, my baby.
No one is making train sounds for me. But I also want...
Aarav, big boys feed themselves. Don't be childish.
How do you pronounce this word?
It is fish. Mom, help me solve this fraction sum. I explained this last week. Do it yourself.
You spilled water on my homework. My homework is ruined.
Oh, sweet.
Go back to your room and play there.
But Mom, I was just playing.
Stacking blocks so high and tall, watch my tower grow. Almost as tall as me. So grand, the best tower. Yay, Olan! I was making it so big.
Priya, this is the third incident in 2 days. Aarav is not like this. He has always been gentle with Meera.
Oh no, Raj. Did we make him feel like we love Meera more? I never thought I was just treating them according to their age.
Age is different. Love must feel equal. We need to fix this. Tonight.
Aarav, I want to say sorry to you.
Sorry? For what, Mama?
When you showed me your report card, you had studied so hard. You got an A. And Mama did not celebrate you the way she should have.
Wow, it's great, son.
Instead, I told you it was not enough. That was wrong of me, beta. You deserved a big hug and a big well done. I am truly sorry.
I thought maybe you love Meera more than me. Because she always gets everything and I always have to be the big one.
Oh, honey, that's not true at all.
We love you both the same.
Yeah.
No, beta. Never. You are my first baby. You were the one who made me a mother. I love you and Meera the exact same amount.
Meera, I am really sorry.
Are you really, really, truly sorry? Or just a little bit sorry?
I'm really, truly sorry, Meera.
We have to be more careful, Raj. They watch everything. They remember everything.
Children do not need perfect parents. They need present ones.
School is so big.
Oh, I am really sorry. It was a complete accident. So today is the last day to submit. Ms. Stay away from me and my project. I will make this school living hell for you.
Sarah, I will allow a 1-day extension for your project or you get no marks for project and final exam.